10 amazing facts about dogs you probably didn't know. It's no secret that dogs have always been man's best friend. They are loyal companions and family, which is why it's not surprising everyone loves to share dog facts and learn more about them. Hearing a new dog fact really facilitates our excitement and curiosity about them. Here are some facts that you may not know about dogs. 1. Dogs' noses are wet to help absorb scent chemicals. A lot of dog owners have questions about their pets. One question in particular is, why are dogs' noses wet? It turns out they are wet to help the dog absorb scent chemicals. They can use an olfactory process to sample chemicals, and then they will lick their nose to see if they like the smell. 2. Dogs have a sense of time. Dogs are truly amazing beings. They can detect when their owners are coming home, they need to go out, or that it's dinner time. Researchers have found that dogs can sense up to 10 seconds in the future. 3. A dog's nose print is unique, much like a human's fingerprints. The nose print of a dog is as unique as the prints of human fingerprints. The complex texture of a dog's nose has ridges, pores, and lines that are filled with various shapes and sizes of sweat glands. These ridges also have an abundance of bacteria which can help identify the dog in case it gets lost. 4. 3 dogs survived the Titanic sinking. One of the most famous dog stories of all time is that of 3 dogs that survived the Titanic sinking. They are known to have been owned by first-class passenger Major Archibald Butt. He had 2 Pomeranians on board the Titanic, one called Lady and one called Timmy. Another dog on board was a Newfoundland named Bullseye. He was believed to be owned by Henry Sleeper Harper, who had served on President Taft's staff in Washington before returning home to Montreal. Harper's family later denied this story, claiming he did not travel with his Newfoundland at all on any trip outside Canada. The third dog is known as an unidentified breed with no name found in records at the time. 5. Your dog is as smart as a 2-year-old. Researchers have found that some animals are actually able to use rudimentary language to communicate their wants, needs, and desires. For example, dogs are able to learn the meanings of words in context very quickly. Small children have a special bond with the family dog during this time in their development. They are able to communicate with it because they share roughly 250 words and use gestures too. 6. Basenji dogs don't bark, they yodel. The Basenji dog is a breed of hunting dog that had originally been kept by the San people of Africa. The word Basenji comes from the language of the Bantu people who were later introduced to the Basenji dogs. The Basenji dogs are very vocal dogs. They don't bark like most dogs, but instead they yodel. This is because they were originally bred to hunt in an environment where other animals and creatures made too much noise for them to hear their prey. 7. 45% of dogs sleep in their owners' beds. Dog owners know that their furry friends love to cuddle up next to them in bed. In one survey, 45% of dog owners said that their dog sleeps with them at least a few times a week. 8. Maltese dogs do not shed, making them perfect pups for people with allergies. Maltese dogs are a great option for people with allergies. As a breed, they do not shed any hair or dander, so this means that they don't produce the allergens that other breeds produce. They're also very small, friendly, and easy to take care of. 9. Dogs don't sweat, instead they pant to cool themselves. Dogs and humans have a few different methods of regulating their body temperature. Unlike the human, a dog does not sweat to cool its body down, instead it pants in order to avoid overheating. When a dog pants, the air that comes out of their mouth is hot and moist, just like when we breathe heavily after exercise. 10. Dogs can be trained to detect cancer and other diseases in humans. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell. Research has shown that cancer cells have a different chemical composition than healthy cells, and scientists are using dogs to detect these changes by sniffing the breath, urine, or stool of patients. This was our top 10 dog facts. Are there any other really amazing facts that you think should be included in this list? Let us know in the comments below. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to see more videos like it.